Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn down the volume on Teamfight Tactics. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have just gotten started with Teamfight Tactics and are playing on their iPad and have kind of realized that the volume or the mechanics is pretty loud. How do you actually go ahead and reduce the volume? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up Teamfight Tactics. Next, click on the gear icon in the top right-hand corner. Next, click on Audio. Then you're going to reduce the master volume by clicking on the volume here. And then afterwards, just click out and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn down the volume on Teamfight Tactics. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.